Good evening, everybody. Today I'm going to be eating brunch at Arconi, and I'll show you what I'm going to be ordering. Let's go. So this is here, and I ordered tiramisu pancakes and a cappuccino. My brother ordered French toast and a Paris breakfast. And there's also shakshuka and managish with cheese.